All right.
Hey, I'm standing here with Brandon from, what's your channel name?
The Traveling Mechanic.
The Traveling Mechanic.
And I'm here with Harold.
Yep, Harold Bishop from Harold's Hobbies. You might recognize the little blue go-kart.
He's got the, what is it?
It's a 1990 Geo Tracker. I've done a few modifications to it, but
it rips.
All budget.
It rips up the hill. He just beat, well, where'd that Cherokee go?
I think he made it up.
He's going up over the hard pack over there.
He went over there.
So yeah.
Anyway, I've done a few modifications. I went and added it up the other day. I've got a total of about $5 in that thing. Purchase price, engine rebuild price, everything, lift kit, bumpers. They're my own custom designed bumpers. If you purchased them from me, everything, about $5 into that.
Perfect.
Let's go see what it'll do.
Yeah, and I'll be following him in my 99 TJ. This is an old early 2000s build. She's pretty well capable for pretty much anything he's gonna do, but we'll see.
And it'll be fun to see what 29s.
Yeah, 29 versus 40s.
Yeah, I think
down to like 8 PSI.
All of my tires cost less than one of yours.
Well, I mean, it's got some plugs in them. It'll be fine.
Budget, right? All right, let's go have some fun. Let's go conquer this sand hill, go around the Jeeps that are stuck, and have some fun.
There you go.
We're gonna hit Double Sammy. I have no idea how we're gonna do. He can do the whole trail. Let's see what I can do. So we're getting ready to go hit the entrance of this, see how this goes. I think I have some footage from yesterday on that one, and let's have some fun. Out of the way. Roll back a little bit. So you want to come this way just a little bit. Your rear passenger tire is trying to climb the ledge right at the steepest part. So about right there. There it is.
31s did it easier.
29s. Doesn't care. Pick a line, any line.
Can't see any of it.
You don't scrape anything.
I didn't think I would.
me see. Maybe back up a couple inches and bump it a little bit. Right, a little more, right there. Nope. Starting to hop. Can you swing your front end this way? Yeah, swing this way. That'll get you more lined up if you want to go down backwards.
What about bumping it that way?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're good. Oh no! You are womp womp for sure.
Ah! Okay, I'm good still.
You're good.
Okay.
I think you're holding.
I'm teetering. I'm okay. The rock slider's holding me. Oh, crap.
I would say if the screen's black, is it still on? Okay. Well,
I actually still have traction.
Are you stuck?
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know how, I'm not sure how to get out of it. Yeah.
Nah,
Like I said, here comes the fun part.
that's wrapped on that. There we go. Get this wrapped up nicely. Sure. Hey, need one of those sometimes. Grab one. Nice. Better.
Yeah!
Prepared. Front axle. Nice. Are they same side to side?
Axle?
Nope.
I haven't
Okay.
I haven't done that modification yet. What? You're just laughing at how small these are.
I'm just saying. What do you got?
Everything you got. Axle for the other side. All junkyard parts. You're like, it's so cute.
Now you need the SpongeBob meme with 5 hours later.
Seriously.
Alright. Oh yeah, that'll go high enough.
One of those ones is not a Widowmaker, so.
Those are the best ones.
Let's throw this. Thinking.
You could probably shut that.
Here.
Yeah, oh, right there. Just drop it. Thing is a tin top tracker is. You want to put some winch? Do we want to put any tension on that winch, just to keep it from going backwards?
I don't think it's gonna go back.
Okay.
Front tires.
Is it in there?
It would go up against this rock.
Okay. Just from a safety standpoint.
You're going forward, actually. The slider just moved forward and up.
Awesome. I
Yeah.
think we might be able to even get it over that way.
I was almost thinking a little bit farther. Might be able to get this high lift over there.
Oh, yeah. And I can put air in this tire and get another 2 or 3 inches out of it. Let's see. If I go up a little more, what is it gonna do? What is it gonna do? If I drop right there, it's just gonna, we're back to ground zero. If I get,
Well, I wonder, like you were saying, if you took an axle
axle or
and wedged it
driveline?
that end into the ground over there and had it coming up. So worst case, it over here on your slider. Because worst case scenario, if it falls down, it'll slide you away from the rock.
Like that.
Yeah, I was thinking the other way
Not long
around.
enough. Not long enough. What I'm gonna do, if I go under here, that'll keep that tire from going too far down.
That'll probably just slide it down.
It'll slide it down. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. We're being heroes today.
Oh, we got a couple big ones.
We're gonna need something, I don't know.
Hey, you think I can hand this?
Yep, just a second. Tie my shoe. Got it. Oh, I really shouldn't do this.
I gotta go tape.
I'm not putting power to the rear wheels.
Jack, switch out.
Oh, you got front dig on this?
No. No, I don't. But I'm not putting power to the wheels because it'll pull that off that jack.
Can you turn harder right?
I'm in the rock right there.
Okay. Oh yeah, she's going away from it. Going away from it. You're away from it. Coming off the rock. Okay.
All right, guys. Thanks. That was a lot of fun. First time for me for ever doing anything like that. Thanks to Brandon. Remember to go check out his channel.
Yeah.
Right?
No, the traveling mechanic.
Traveling Mechanic. I'm sorry, the Traveling Mechanic. Go check out his channel. We got a sweet Jeep, but it's the end of the day. It's dark. Kids are cranky. It's time to go. So thanks for watching.
Take it easy.
Good to meet you.
Yeah, good meeting you.
Yeah.
Have fun.